So hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to discuss about few online courses, okay, on anatomy. Okay, so I'll make different videos for anatomy, for physiology, biochemistry, pathology, etc. So in this video we are going to talk about anatomy. Okay, so I'm going to show you few courses that you can do. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, some of them are free without certificate and paid. Okay, so you can do these courses, and you can do any of them, or if you want like specific courses you can do them. Okay, so they are on different platforms. I'll tell you the platform and I'll show you on my screen also. Okay, so let's start with the first course. Now this is an anatomy specialization. Now this is from Coursera, and this course is also available on FutureLearn, but I would prefer Coursera because on Coursera you can get a free option. If you like don't opt for the certificate, then you get a free option. So this is a great course, 20 hours course. So it's basically a specialization, so there are many different things covered. Some different courses will be there under University of Michigan, and there are a lot of courses there. Okay, so like upper limb anatomy and then abdomen, so everything is different. Okay, so you will learn a lot, and I did this course when I was in my first year, and it really opened my eyes about anatomy. And you will learn about a lot and you will learn about anatomy in a different perspective than what you learn in your classes. Okay, and the practical presentation is also good. Okay, the next is from University of Yale. Now that is anatomy of chest, neck and abdomen and pelvis. Okay, and this is also from Coursera. Okay, now the best part about this course is the dissection videos, because we're talking about the whole trunk area: chest, neck, abdomen and pelvis. So in this portion the dissections are really important, and upper limb, lower limb everybody do, and head and neck is really tough. But when you come to the trunk part, then things become really complicated. So this course makes it really easy, and you should know some general anatomy before you go to this section, because this is a really high quality course. Okay, and of course Yale courses are really one of the best courses in the world. Like physics, I remember it's first best, but this is an anatomy video. So like if I have to give score, then this is the course which is the best course, one of 5 on 5 course. Okay, so you can do this course and you will learn a lot in anatomy. Okay, especially if you want to become a surgeon. So then we have another course, and this is from FutureLearn by University of Leeds. Okay, and this course is specifically for abdomen. Okay, and of course a 12 to 14 hours long course. Okay, and now FutureLearn course is a really a simplified version of complicated things. So what you will learn about is the basic anatomy as well as some surgical aspects. Okay, now this doesn't have a free option, so you it's not available. Okay, so you can do these courses if you want to go for like some technical work like forensic, like but if you want to become a surgeon, then it will be covered in your medical school also. But if you are from different field, then you can go do this course. Okay, and you will get a really good certificate. Okay, so knowledge of general anatomy is required, and you will learn some surgical aspect. Okay, I think I covered that. Then again from FutureLearn only, we have another course, that is histology. Okay, so in this, like histology is really important, especially if you want to go to pathology side. Then on pathology side also you see the slides and see different pathologies, right? So first you should know the basic anatomy, the histology. Okay, and then you come to histopathology. Okay, so for histology you should know some basic biology, and then you can do this course. And histology is sometimes it becomes really complicated for students. Like for me it was really difficult, but then if you do this course you will learn a lot, and slowly and you will learn the basic anatomy in the histology. Okay, and I think this is the only course of histology I could see. Okay, now there is the last course. Now for anatomy, what issue is that and there are a lot of courses for anatomy available on the web, but most of them are basic anatomy, and like I don't want to give you paid courses for that. Okay, well, you can do that if you are just a biology student and you are in biology side, but this is mostly for medical people. So I don't want to give you particular anatomy courses there, because like the anatomy and physiology combined courses, sorry, there. So so on Udemy I could found another course. So now when you study anatomy, one thing which is covered in anatomy really good and not anywhere else is the terminology, the medical terminology. So I thought that let this course be let I give you this course, and this is by John Pamphrin, and this is on Udemy, and this course is about learn to speak medicine and start your healthcare career. Okay, So it's not just for medical students, it's for every kind of profession there is in the medical setting. Like there is, if you're a doctor, then you should know this. But if you're from nursing, or okay, nurses also know this, but if you're some other technical stuff, even you are a chartered accountant in a hospital, then you should know the basic terminology of medicine, okay, so that you can easily talk with people, okay. So and if you are just like, if you want to just open a pharmaceutical company also, then also you should know this language, because when your employees and when your doctors are talking in this language, then you should understand what they're talking, what is anterior, what is posterior, okay. Well, these are simple terms, but there is, what is neoplasia, what is inflammation. So you will understand if you have done courses like this, okay, the basic terminology, okay. So these were anatomy courses. So I have mentioned 5 anatomy courses. You can do any of them, or you can do all of them, and they're really good courses, and they're going to really add some good value to you if you are studying anatomy. And I hope you have enjoyed this and you find really helpful. If you do, then give it a like, and you can subscribe to this channel for more such videos, and you can share it with your friends. So God bless you.